Okay, so here I'm working on the center bit, and there's something I wanted to show you that was kind of interesting. You can't really see in the pictures. Is that these center bits are about 2 millimeters wider than the widest part of either the sides or even one of these 3 bits here. So this will go into there, and obviously that's flush. You see it'll be flush there, but because these two are about 2 millimeters higher, it makes it a little bit trickier to carve, because I couldn't just make the wood all the same thickness and then cut it up and then use it. I had to actually make different pieces of wood just because of these little guys here. Another interesting thing is, because this is not a circle, I mean, if it was circular, if it was a round bit between the two ends, I could just stick it on the lathe and turn it and get that done in about 2.5 minutes. But it's not. It's ovular, which again makes the carving a little bit more tricky, and I think more interesting if you can pull it off. So yeah, just thought I'd share that little bit about the centerpiece, which you can't really see in the pictures, and unless you're holding it in your hand, you won't really be able to notice that type of detail. So yeah.